Hello. Okay, so you probably know how to do this, but just in case, I made an instruction video. So you are going to play the match one. So wherever the games are listed, I'm not sure exactly what it looks like for you guys, but that's what it looks like for me. Pick the match, start the game, and then you have to match stuff up. So, okay. Kansas-Nebraska Act. Let's see. 1854, slavery would be voted on. Bam. Violence in Kansas would be bleeding Kansas. So you're just matching them up. There you go. And let's see. First state to break off. That would be that. New country breaks off. Series of debates. That's Lincoln Douglas debates. And then you guys can't see this, but Dred Scott decision. Okay. So whatever time you get, you are going to take a screenshot of this screen, and you need to do it 3 times, and you'll have different cards each time. So play again, and then it'll be a different, some of the same, but a different round of cards.